And I'd like to welcome Lauren Davidson. She is the sales director for Villa Valencia. Nice to have you on. Welcome.
Thanks, Ken.
So tell me about Villa Valencia, and it's just close by. We just saw that spot for it. Kind of the history here in Laguna. It's actually Laguna Hills, but correct, right across the neighborhood from Laguna Woods.
Yep, so we've been in the Laguna Hills area since 1974, so we're not a stranger to Laguna Woods Village as well. We get quite a few residents over from Laguna Woods into our community who are just ready to take a different approach. We are owned by 5-Star Senior Living. So 5-Star Senior Living is within the top four largest senior living providers in the nation. So we're definitely no stranger to this type of senior services and care that we provide. And
tell me about it in general, because Villa Valencia, do they offer different stages for people, from just a place to live on your own, assisted living? What kind of things do you offer there?
We do. So part of the process of really determining if Villa Valencia is the right fit for a specific resident is really a discovery process by myself and the rest of my team. So somebody may come in and not know really what kind of living situation they would be comfortable in or would be appropriate for their needs. So Villa Valencia offers 3 different variations of living. Independent living for the resident who is completely on their own, doesn't need any care services at this time, and really just has decided to make a lifestyle change into a situation where they no longer have to cook for themselves anymore. Maybe driving isn't an option, or they just choose not to. It's kind of a great opportunity to get in, find people with common ground, really just build relationships with neighbors, make friends out of neighbors. We have assisted living, so this is for the resident who, in the same light, wants to really just kind of not have to worry about the stress of cooking and cleaning anymore, maybe is unable to. The goal would be to have that assisted living resident be as independent as humanly possible. Preserving independence is one of our main goals at Villa Valencia. So this assisted living resident would be the type of person who might need a little bit of extra help throughout the day, not 100% on their own. Important to make friends out of your neighbors and know that you have security there in case anything happens throughout the evening, peace of mind for your family members, and really just having somebody there if you need. And then on top of that, we also are fortunate to have skilled nursing as part of our campus. So our skilled nursing is kind of a temporary stay, or at least that's the ultimate goal for us. If a resident were to have an incident that would land them in the hospital, not quite ready to go back home and be on your own, not quite ready to go back to assisted living, you can go to our skilled nursing as well, get some hands-on physical therapy, outpatient therapy, and really be in that type of a setting. The goal as well is to get those residents back to the independent and assisted living side, or back to your home in Laguna Woods as quickly as possible, and really get you back on your feet.
So that's exactly what I was going to ask, as far as when it comes to skilled nursing. You have people there who are not residents of Villa Valencia. They may be residents here, but maybe need a place to recuperate for 2 to 3 weeks.
Correct.
Or whatever it may be.
Exactly. We get a lot of residents, so those are discharged directly from the hospitals to our skilled nursing, which is really nice. Oftentimes we get a lot of our independent and assisted living residents who come from our skilled nursing because they realize that they really enjoy the food, they like the environment, and they think, hey, this is something that I never considered before.
So people are deciding maybe at the time in their life, and they may totally enjoy living here. Like you said, they may want to have a little bit more carefree lifestyle. What are some of the things that you offer over there that, as far as would work for them for independent living, but they still want to take advantages of the services over there? Yeah,
absolutely. So a lot of people call us a cruise ship that doesn't go anywhere, a cruise ship on the ground. With that, we have an extensive lifestyle 360 program. 5-Star Senior Living is actually very proud of this program. It's based off of Maslow's hierarchy of needs. So it's about the 5 dimensions of wellness that really help us in our daily routine. So that's everywhere from physical, intellectual, emotional, spiritual, and social. So it's a well-balanced approach on keeping yourself active and engaging. We are undergoing quite a massive renovation at this time, so it's pretty exciting. If you haven't been there recently, you may have noticed, as just driving past as well on your way in, that we have a brand new entryway, and along with that comes with a lot of other features that we're going to be presenting pretty soon here.
Now, you go back, not you, but Villa Valencia back to 1974, and of course, things have changed. And what's really changed over the years is, first of all, I think seniors are looked upon differently compared to, what's that, 40 years ago, something like that. And also, they look at themselves differently. It used to be that you get to a certain age, you know, you go to a place and it's more about taking it easy and resting and things like that. It's not that way anymore for a lot of them. They want to be just as active. They want to learn new things. And this is something that you folks can provide, right?
Correct. So one reason why we've invested so much money into this community is we have such great bones. We have such a great building. We're known in the area. We're kind of an iconic building right here that most people either know somebody who lives there currently or has lived there or worked here or whatnot. So the goal really would be to get us up and running again and back with the times. A lot of residents come in reluctantly with their adult child who's bringing them in to come see the home, and we're not really the home anymore. We're not convalescent like we used to be, and oftentimes by the end of the tour and the end of me showing them around, we've kind of changed their tune as to what we provide. So it used to be kind of a dark, forbidden word, to say convalescent.
That's
and putting me into a place that's not what it is. So it really takes stepping through the doors, having the community really come to life, meeting our residents who are genuinely happy to be there. After our renovation's completed, we'll have 3 separate dining venues. So you're not going to have to go to a cafeteria like you do when you're in college. You can have options. We'll have a corner cafe. So kind of, full coffee bar, sandwiches, snacks throughout the day. Then you'll have the option of more of a formalized setting in our dining room. And then even a grill type area where you can actually watch the chef prepare your meals. We'll have a pizza oven at that point. So quite a lot coming, quite a lot of choices and variety.
When it comes to independent living, what type of apartments or whatever you want to call them that you offer over there?
So we're also fortunate. Part of being built in '74 means we have quite large square feet in our actual suites, which is really nice. So people are genuinely very surprised when they come in, thinking they're going to have to live in a little closet space and realizing that they actually have a walk-in closet. So fortunate, we have 3 different styles of 1-bedrooms. We do have a studio option as well, and a 2-bedroom as also. So one thing we like to tell residents when they come in is that the goal would be that their home is their home, and you can make it into whatever you want it to be. However, now you're going to have an outdoor movie theater. You're going to have 3 separate dining venues. You'll have a library. You'll have a putting green, a swimming pool. So the goal would be to not have you be in your suite the whole time, to come out and really experience the lifestyle with us.
What's the Sky Lounge? You have something listed here called
we do. So we're pretty excited. We're going to be putting in a Sky Lounge on the 7th floor of one of our towers.
Oh, nice.
So it's actually going to be a full cocktail bar. Great views. We'll be able to do happy hour up there with great appetizers and snacks. We'll do live entertainment in the evening times. And also the Sky Lounge is adjacent to our premier suites that are going in. So for the resident who prefers to have brand new amenities and all of that, we're doing some upscale apartments up on the 7th floor, and it'll have a whole other package that's included with that.
And I saw in the spot that we just saw, the shuttle service. Do you go to certain areas around here? Do you have like a route to take people to different venues and malls and entertainment and things like that?
So we do within a 7-mile radius for the community is included in your monthly rent. But on top of that, as many activities as we offer inside the community, we like to take our residents out as well. So we'll go to the museum. We went to the casino recently, which is a big favorite. We'll do off-site meals, off-site movies, anything you can think of. Yeah.
All right. And if they want to come over and take a look, how would they go about that?
So absolutely, we're here 7 days a week, always available to show you around. If you have questions whether or not Villa Valencia is the right fit for you, just give me a call. Be happy to answer that. Again, it really comes to life when you step foot, and our community is constantly changing with this renovation. You're really going to be able to see some of the new features very soon. All
right, and the number and website is on the screen, so you can get a hold of Lauren there. And as she said, take a tour over there if you're ready for that type of living. It's a great place to go. You want independent living, not kind of a carefree and not worry about things. It's a great thing to look into.
Yeah, definitely.
Thank you for coming on.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Nice to meet you. We'll be right back.